In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account in Japan and add a bank account. Whether you're new to PayPal or just want a refresher, I've got you covered with a quick step-by-step process that's easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to paypal.com.jp. This is where the journey of setting up your PayPal account begins. Once you're on the site, you'll see the familiar layout of PayPal, offering you various services. But for now, let's focus on getting you signed up. Look for the sign up button, which is typically quite prominent and inviting. When you click this button, you're taking the first official step into the world of secure online transactions with PayPal. Next up, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to create. For most of us, a personal account will suffice as it caters to all individual transactions like shopping, sending money, or receiving funds from family. So, go ahead and select personal account and then click get started. It's a straightforward process and you'll be guided seamlessly from one screen to the next. Now comes the part where you'll provide some basic information. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. A strong password is crucial here, something memorable yet unique to keep your account safe and secure. After this, don't forget the importance of selecting Japan as your country to ensure that your transactions are aligned with local regulations and benefits. Follow the instructions provided to fill in your full details. This will include your address, phone number, and any other required personal information. Accuracy is key here, as this information will be crucial for verification and security purposes later on. Once your personal details are all set, PayPal asks you to add a payment method. You have the option to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This not only allows you to make payments or withdraw funds, but also secures your account further. Linking a bank account is particularly beneficial for seamless transactions. Sometimes, to ensure everything is set up securely, PayPal might ask you to verify your account. This could be through a simple bank link confirmation or by providing additional identification requested by PayPal. Don't worry, this step is simply another layer of security to protect your financial information. Finally, remember to review the terms and conditions thoroughly. While it might seem like a lot to read, understanding and agreeing to these terms is crucial. Once you're comfortable with the agreement, simply click Agree and Create Account to finalize the process. There you have it. A solid foundation for handling transactions with ease and confidence using your new PayPal account in Japan. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.